So how to install Solar Snap app. This is the top eclipse app. You know, there was just recently an eclipse in United States. You could observe, really cool. Safely take fun photos of the sun. Introducing Solar Snap camera filter plus app combo that can help you take amazing photos of the sun when there is an eclipse or any other day. Simply attach the filter to your phone, open Solar Snap and snap away. And then again, this app must be used with the Solar Snap filter available at eclipseglasses.com. Solar Snap Eclipse app. So the filter protects your phone camera from damage by the bright sun. So like you need to have this filter, because without the filter you can damage your eyes and your phone camera. So that's basically what it is. Unfortunately, you need to kind of pre-order this filter. So it's not like that you just install the app and you can use it right away. Again, you need to have this filter. So let's just take a look at the website. So here you can see their website, and then eclipseglasses.com. You can see all the schedule. You can see the shop here. You can see solar eclipse glasses. So yeah, anyhow, so that's basically yeah, which ones you can just go and buy them here. So and then you can just order those. So yep, that's the idea. And then you can just have it like that. So designed to work with a filter available. So this is like a specific filter. You see, these are not glasses. This is a specific filter. So probably I'm looking at the wrong. So maybe you can just go and tap search. So here it is. So that's basically that's where you have it. So you just need to go and search for the app. It's a bit not that handy on the website. So there you have it. So this is how it looks like, where you can just get it. It's not yeah, it's not that expensive, so $19. So you need to have that. And then so you have 2 solar snaps, free photo app, 2 pairs of eclipse glasses. So this is the solar snap kit. And then you just need to basically attach this like to, yeah. So here it is, for example, you just need to attach it to your phone. So pretty cool technology and idea. And then you need to give app permissions. You need to give access to camera and location. Never look at the sun without eye protection from eclipse glasses. Look at the phone screen, not directly at the sun to take pictures. To view the eclipse, put the phone down and put your eclipse glasses to look at the sun. So then you just attach the filter to the back of your device. Make sure the Velcro holds the filter securely in place. Point the phone towards the sun. Move the zoom. And then if the sun is too bright or too dim, adjust the brightness using the slider. So yep, then you can just additional features. Try different exposures, and then yep, basically, yep, that's the idea here. As you can see, you have zoom, you have different exposure, you can change your focus. Solar snap totality. This mode will capture cellular photos every 10 seconds at varying exposures. So you can also try that, or is it like partial or total? So yep, that's basically the idea here. So give it a try.